From Gulmohar to Amalthas, flowers that are Indian parallel to cherry blossoms. Hello friends. Welcome to Gardener's Gardening. India is fortunate to possess a rich variety of flowering trees that embellish its scenery with vibrant hues and captivating allure, akin to the charm of cherry blossoms. Year-round, these splendid trees alter the scenery, infusing vitality and grace into gardens, parks, streets and countryside. Whether showcasing a fiery display of orange and scarlet blooms, or the gentle grace of pink and white flowers, or vivid explosions of blue and purple petals, each tree presents a distinctive spectacle, evoking the transient beauty of cherry blossoms. Here in this video, I have selected 6 flowering trees, rather flowers, that are Indian parallel to Japan's cherry blossoms. Number 1. Jacaranda. In the springtime, the landscape is bedecked with vibrant clusters of jacaranda blooms, casting a spell of enchantment. Whether adorning streets, embellishing parks, or enhancing private gardens, the jacaranda's exquisite beauty infuses any setting with charm, with its vivid hues and graceful silhouette. As the blossoms cascade to the ground, blanketing it in a regal purple hue, the jacaranda tree inspires a feeling of marvel and reverence. Number 2. Gulmohar. The Gulmohar flowers famous for its extravagant showcase of vibrant red-orange flowers. This tree, shading its leaves annually, beautifies the Indian scenery with its magnificent blooms in the hot summer season. It offers a refreshing break from the intense heat and contributes a hint of tropical elegance to gardens, streets and private gardens. Number 3. Flame of the Forest, or Palash. Aptly named, the flame of the forest tree captivates with its fiery orange to scarlet flowers that blaze across the canopy like flickering flames. Indigenous to the Indian subcontinent, this deciduous tree heralds the arrival of spring with its dazzling blooms, which attracts pollinators and tourists, herald the onset of warmer weather. Number 4. Amalthas, or the Golden Shower Tree. The Amalthas dazzles with its cascading clusters of luminous yellow flowers that hang like golden tassels from its branches. Native to the Indian subcontinent, this deciduous tree blooms profusely during the summer months, painting the landscape with a palette of radiant hues. Admired for its ornamental value and cultural significance, the Amalthas adds a touch of warmth and cheer to gardens, parks and avenues across India. Number 5. Bottle Brush. The bottle brush tree, characterized by its distinctive cylindrical flower spikes, resembling bottle brushes, is prized for its vibrant long-lasting blooms. Native to Australia, but cultivated in India for its striking appearance. This evergreen shrub or small tree bears clusters of crimson, red or yellow flowers that attract pollinators and birds. Number 6. Trumpet Tree, or Tabibia, or Roble. Tabibia captivate with their magnificent trumpet-shaped flowers that bloom in an array of colors, including pink, purple, yellow and white. Native to tropical regions of the Americas, but widely cultivated in India for their ornamental value. This deciduous tree paints the landscape with their vibrant blooms, creating a spectacular display of natural beauty. India, a land of diverse flora and fauna, is home to a remarkable variety of flowering trees. These majestic trees not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the landscape, also contribute to the ecological balance. I have some more exciting videos based on Indian flowering trees or ornamental trees in India. After ending this video, you will see the thumbnails of those videos. By clicking on them, you can easily watch those videos to know more names of flowering trees, along with their pictures, distinctive features, seasons and significance. Hope you will love them. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to press the like button, share it with your friends and family members, and please subscribe this channel to stay tuned with us for future uploads. Take care of your green friends and keep them happy. God bless you and thanks for your time.